In today's video, I'll be talking about how to use data to grow your business. And when I mean data, I don't mean the data you use to browse the internet or the data you use to check your social media account. I'm talking about your financial and non-financial data and how you can use this to grow your business. Welcome on board with me. The data we are referring to here is piece of information generated for analysis purpose. Now, please ensure your data is organically generated. Number 2, ensure it is correctly generated. And number 3, ensure it's coming directly from your own business environment. If you can do this, then every other thing I will be saying in this video will be relevant for you, or it will be relevant to your business. The first thing you will need to analyze is your income and expense data. Your income and expense data. Now you need to be sure that what you are incurring is absolutely necessary for your business. Now the ones that are not necessary, they are not needful, you are just incurring them, please yank it off. And your income line, you need to check it line by line. Are you maximizing your income? Now, if you are supposed to be having 20% margin and you are having 10% margin, you should know something is wrong. And if you don't analyze your income line one after the other, I mean one by one, you can actually miss out some income, or you are having income leakage and you will not know. All right. If you do this, you will know whether you are going to be profitable and sustainable in the nearest future. The second data you need to analyze for your business growth is your customer base. Why? Because it's directly related to your revenue. If you want your revenue to grow, or you are wondering why is your revenue fluctuating, it means that your customer base are fluctuating. So what I'm trying to say is you need to know, are they increasing? Are they decreasing? Why are they purchasing at this period of time? Why are they not purchasing at another period? Now, you need to come together. What is the age or the age bracket of people that are buying from you? Are they satisfied? Are they not satisfied? When you are able to do proper analysis of your customer base, I'm sure that your revenue will automatically increase. The third data you need to be checking for your business growth is your product. Yes, if you have more than one product that you are offering to the market, you need to know why are your customers buying this product and why they are not buying. If you have more than 2 or 3 services you are offering to the market, you should know why your customers are taking a particular service and not taking another service that you have. Now, what am I trying to say? You need to do proper analysis of your product to know which one is bringing the highest return to your business. Now, which one is taking the highest expenses from your business? Should you continue with one line of product, or you should leave another one behind? Should you do business re-engineering on a particular product or a particular service? If you are able to do proper analysis of this product, I'm so sure your returns will increase automatically. And if you find these tips helpful, please leave a comment for me in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have not done so, hit on the notification bell to get notified when I upload new video. And until I see you in my next video, God bless you, God bless me, God bless all business owners around the world.